So next on the agenda, we wanted to talk about, for our recipe segment, we want to talk about green smoothies. So Drew's going to talk about this lovely green smoothie and how to make one of your own.
So green smoothies are something that we enjoy every single morning. And it's like a natural energy boost. And I think when the theme of enjoying plants in and around your surroundings, so like living plants that are on the shelves, they're in the bedrooms, they're around you, and then we're putting plants into our body. So you're constantly surrounded by life. And that means so much in many different ways. So when we come to green smoothies and waking up with green smoothies, I think it changes your whole day. It actually sets up your day for success instead of having like, well, let's not point fingers. Let's just focus on the green smoothie.
Okay.
But it's green, it's bright, it's vibrant, it fills your body, it fills your cells with so much good nutrients. So that's why we believe in it so much. Now, green smoothie, well, before I tell them the recipe, tell them why it's different, a fruit smoothie and a vegetable smoothie.
Sure. So a green smoothie is very detoxifying, and it just has vegetables in it. So as opposed, this is the easiest way to explain it, I think. So the green detox smoothie is just detoxing veggies, which Drew will explain when he talks about the recipes. And it's meant, it's not necessarily meant to be a meal. So you could have this at breakfast, but after you consume it, you're gonna want to consume a full breakfast afterwards.
That's right.
A fruit smoothie is intended to be more of a snack meal or a breakfast meal, for example, which would contain your full nutrients for an entire or complete meal. So that's kind of the difference between a green smoothie and a fruit smoothie. There's lots of confusion that, oh, green smoothie, I'll just put greens in my fruit smoothie. But it's not the same, and the detoxing properties would not be the same as well.
Different kind of smoothie.
Yeah.
That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this green smoothie in particular is what we consume and what we recommend. So the basics or the base of it is cucumber, and then we have celery. Mm-hmm. And a lot of people don't know that those two combined make a complete protein. Yes. It's very cool. It means it has all the essential amino acids to help build muscle, which we're kind of afraid of when it comes to this type of stuff. But so those two ingredients is what we start with. Then we add cilantro. You might have to help me out here, Dorothy. Cilantro, parsley. And there's another one. Mint. Parsley, cilantro, and mint. Those three. We throw a dash of cayenne pepper in there, just a little bit.
Don't put too much.
But that little spice kick will increase your metabolism and help. It also has cleansing properties as well. We throw lemon in there, which is very alkalizing to the body, and it also goes very nice with this flavor as well. Mm-hmm. And did I miss anything?
Ginger and turmeric.
Of course. Ginger and turmeric, they're both anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger's very well known for the immune system, and then turmeric is more well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. So we put a lot of those in our stir fries and cooking, but every single morning that goes into our body as well. And I think that helps with prevention, because as we recommend working out on a regular basis, we want our joints and we want our ligaments to be strong and healthy. We want to avoid injuries. So those are going to help as well.
That's right.
So that's the green smoothie recipe every single morning. And if you get a chance, you should give it a try, because we did a workshop recently and we thought most people are going to kind of turn their nose up at it. And the good majority of people, we had a big group, we had 30 some people there, and most of them, there might have been one or two, and maybe a couple that didn't want to say, but the good majority actually enjoyed it.
They were really surprised, I think, that they did enjoy it, right? Because of everything that's in it, you kind of turn your nose up, some of us.
Yeah. But it's very refreshing, and it's a great way to start your day, so give that a try.
Give it a try.
Now we